Hi everyone, this is A.THASNI from Department of Computer Science and Designing. Today we are going to see about the topic called as full stack development. In that we are going to see about MongoDB. And in MongoDB we are going to see about the CRUD operations, which is called as a create, record, update and delete. What is CRUD operation? So which is called it as a create, read, update and delete, as I said you before, and the basic set of operation that allow the user to interact with the MongoDB server. As we know, it will interact with the MongoDB server to perform certain operations like entering new data into the application, or updating the existing data into the application, or deleting the data from the application, or reading the data application data, which is called it as a create, read, update and delete that performs the CRUD operation. Next, first one is a create operation. Using a create operation, you can use insert or adding new documents in the collections. If the collection does not exist, then it will create a new collection based on the database. One of the method, we have few methods, which is called it as a DB collection, insertOne, DB collection dot insertMany, DB collection, or create empty collection. It's used to create empty collections. Okay. And next one is a create operation with an example, sample example. We call it as we are going to create insert one student into the existing database. Okay, here we are going to entering the, you can use that insert one operation. And next one is the read operation. Read operation is nothing but retrieve the document from the collection, or in other words, we can say it is a used to query a collection for a document. One of the method we used it as a db.collection.find, which is used to retrieve the method from the collection. Note pretty of method is used to decorate the result, such it is the easy way to read. If you use it, you use the pretty of method. Here one of the read operation example we can use and find the already existing document or collection from the collection. Okay, so next one is the update operation. Update operation are used to update or modify the existing document in the collection. You can perform these either one. You can use db.collection and update one used to update a single document that satisfies the given criteria. db.collection or update many, which is used to update multiple documents which is a collection given criteria. And db.collection replace one, which used to replace single document in the given the satisfy the given criteria. So update is used to update or modify the existing document in the collection. Here one of the thing we are using it as a update here is update one. We are going to update one name of the student and set the age as a 24, which is already existing. Okay. And next one is the delete operation. Delete operation used to delete or remove the documents from a collection. You can perform a delete operation using the following method. One is db.collection.delete1 used to delete a single document from the collection. And db.collection.deleteMany used to satisfy the multiple document from the collection. So this is the delete operation. We are looking for example. We are going to delete the operation here using the delete one. Find. Okay. Next one is a projection. Projection is a special feature in the MongoDB. It allows you to select only the necessary data rather than selecting the whole data for the document. Okay, so but we want only to display the name and age of the employee rather than displaying the whole name. We can use the projection method. So one can use the projection method with the db.collection.findOff. In the second parameter, you have to mention which fields you are going to return in the matching document. Okay. So here is one of this thing syntax is db.collection.findOff, which is a field 1 and field 2. The value of set is set to 1, which is true, which will return the document. The value set is 0, which is false, which will not return the document. Okay. This is the example for collection of data. Next one is displaying the name of the employees, which using we can use the all these methods in one way, like finding the method using the projection. We have to find that particular thing. We have to mention the particular data alone in that particular field. So that's how we can see the displaying the names of the employee. So here are the references for this, which is David Flangen, which you can get that JavaScript definitive guide, and Matt Frisbee is a professional JavaScript for web developers, and you can refer this all these references, and we have these books. So Mark Van Schiner and Alex Banks, you can refer all these books, and the textbook is Pro MERN Stack Full Stack Web Development with the Mongo Express React and Node by Vasan Subramanian, which is an Indian author.